Hello there guys, and in this Linux tutorial we are going to talk about the IP command. Now the IP command is used to display information about network interfaces among other things. And your network interface is the hardware within your computer which allows it, and by it I mean your computer, to communicate with another computer via a computer network. Okay, so basically all of the data your computer is sending and receiving over the computer network is going through the network interface. Okay, and if you want to see your network interfaces, you should type in IPA and press enter. And this actually gives you all of your network interfaces. Okay, and now we are going to interpret what these mean. Well, first of all, I have three network interfaces. Because I have one here, I have two here, and three here. So in total, I have three network interfaces. Also know that in their first line, right here, we have something which is called state. Okay, and here, where is the state? Here, I don't see it. Here is the state. Okay, so we have state in the first line of each of these network interfaces, and it is either unknown, down, or up. And the thing you need to understand is that up means that the interface is currently enabled. And this makes sense because my computer is connected via wireless, and so this would be my wireless card, and it is up because I'm connected to the internet wirelessly. And if you want to look at your IP address, look for the ENET field. Okay, so this field, ENET, you can look for your IP address here. And my IP address at this point is 192.168.1.5. Okay, and again, this is my local IP address, not my global IP address. So if somebody from my house were to address this computer, that person could address this computer using this IP address. However, if somebody from the outside was trying to address my computer, then I would have to know my global IP address. And if I want to use my global IP address, then I would have to actually Google what's my global IP address, and then I would get the global IP address which corresponds to this computer. Okay. And also, I just want to give you a quick side note and to tell you that there was a command which was used before the IP command, and it was called ifconfig. Okay, so that command may still be used in some operating systems if you are using an older operating system or an operating system that hasn't yet deprecated that command. However, if I press enter, I can see that bash doesn't find that command, although again it was used before the IP command. Okay, but on my Debian 10 I cannot even use the ifconfig command anymore. Okay, so just understand that some older operating systems will use the ifconfig command, and it will actually give you the same information, only with different structured output. Okay, but basically that command is used for the same purpose. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something useful, and I will see you in the next tutorial.